Hello everybody, welcome. My name is... Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken adobo. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. My name is Jonathan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken adobo. This recipe is going to yield about 4 to 5 servings, so about 1 to 2 Filipino boys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken adobo. This is how I do it. This is not traditional at all, but it's okay, because it's better. Ready? So we're going to start off with 3 pounds of chicken. I like to use wings, but you can use any type of dark meat. I marinated this in 2/3 cup of soy sauce for 2 hours, but you can do it up to overnight. But if you don't have time to marinate, that's okay. And then you're going to need 1 cup of cane vinegar. If you don't have access to cane vinegar, you can also use white vinegar, or I also like to use rice vinegar. You need whole black peppercorns, a can of Sprite, and brown sugar, whole cloves of garlic, and bay leaves. All right, first thing you want to do, grab a handful of garlic. You can never use too much garlic, and smash it. Don't chop it, don't mince it, smash it. Once you're done with that, put it off to the side. All right, next you want to heat up your pan with a medium heat and add a neutral oil, about a tablespoon. And then once that is heated, it's not heated yet. All right, and then once it's heated, we're gonna add our chicken. Skin side down. You'll know it's hot when it's sizzling. So just add all your chicken and make sure you don't overcrowd it, or else it's not gonna cook properly. It's actually gonna look fine, but it looks crazy right now. All right, so after about 2 to 3 minutes, once you get a nice brown color on both sides, that's gonna lock in the juices. You wanna put the chicken to the side and add your smashed garlic. You wanna lower your heat a little bit. The key here is to keep an eye on it, because you don't wanna burn your garlic. Then you wanna add the black peppercorn and bay leaves. After you add your bay leaves and your peppercorn, you wanna toss in the rest of that soy sauce marinade. How we do it back in the province, man. Make sure you coat all your chicken in the soy sauce marinade, and then you add 1 cup of your vinegar. So the key here is once you pour in the vinegar, you don't want to stir it. You want to leave it alone and let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. And what this does is when you let the vinegar cook and leave it alone, it lets the vinegar cook off the acidity and it becomes less sour. Make sure you keep it on a low heat, because if the heat is too high, the sauce will evaporate. After 4 to 5 minutes of cooking the vinegar, that's when you can mix it. Then after you mix a little, add about 1/3 to about half a can of Sprite. Once you give that a good mix, you want to lower your heat all the way to the lowest possible heat until it's a very gentle simmer. After that, throw a lid on there, and we're going to leave it alone for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, and after it's been simmering for about 25 minutes, this is when I like to add the brown sugar. You want to add about a tablespoon or so of brown sugar. Let it simmer for about 5 more minutes with no lid. All right, 5 minutes up. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our chicken wing adobo. It's got a nice amount of sauce, nice brown color, just like me. Rice. It's you, bro. So tender.